Hi, welcome back. I'm making a quick acrylic painting today, just about 6 inches by about 4.5 inches. I took this watercolor paper and I cut it into half, and this is about 6 inches wide and 4.5 inches uh, long. So first I tape that paper onto my drawing board. I'm using a marble, but you can use anything as a base. So the advantage of using masking tape is that the paper won't move, and you can paint it nice and relaxed without worrying about the paper getting moved. And just to let you know, the same painting can be done on a canvas or acrylic pad also. So first I'm putting a cobalt blue. Then I added a phthalo green. This is called phthalo green. Now I'm thinking what color to add. This is yellow ochre. Yellow ochre is a very beautiful color. And what else would go with it? I'm thinking if I need to add more greens or I need to add something else. So adding a little red. And just to let you know, if you don't have any of these greens, you can substitute with any other greens that you have. It doesn't really matter. So once I add all these colors, then I'm going to blend it with a brush. Then adding some light greens, and I'm just lightly blending with the brush. This is about 1/4 inch flat brush. So I didn't add any water because I think adding more water will lighten and it will lose the vibrancy. So I just use the plain colors from the bottle. And also I like the texture that it creates if you don't add water. See, it's nice and chunky. I really like that. The textured effect really looks nice in acrylic painting. Now I am adding little ultramarine blue just to create some gradation in the skies. And if you are visiting my channel first time, could you please subscribe, because I post videos every day and it might be really useful for you to learn my techniques. Now the sky is nicely blended. And now let's get to the bottom portion of the painting. I'm just thinking what else to add. I think I might add some mountains. So I'm adding red because I'm trying to create purple mountains at the distance. When you view mountains from a very far distance, it looks like almost purple. So I'm trying to create that purple by mixing red and blue and some whites also. See, it's almost looking like a distant mountain from far off. If you look, it's really pretty. And now We will go to the bottom portion. I'm trying to create a field look. So the field contains a lot of yellows, yellow ochre and greens, etc. So I'm trying to create a textured field. These are distant trees that you can see. And you can pick up any color from the bottom and just start blending away. And the reason we added too many colors, because when you look at the field, it has all sorts of colors. So it will be very interesting to look at the painting once it's done with all sorts of different colors. Now this yellow ochre shows some distant fields, dried up grass and other things in the field. Adding some light green grass also there. And now is the fun part, just start blending away in vertical strokes to create.